Daytona Beach. Special marine warning. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a special marine warning for waters from Fernandina Beach to St. Augustine, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles, waters from St. Augustine to Flagler Beach, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles, until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 51 nautical miles east of Marineland, or 53 nautical miles northeast of Ormond by the Sea, moving northeast at 45 knots. Hazard: waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots, or greater. Source: radar. Impact: waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. If your vessel is caught offshore, immediately secure for heavy weather. Ensure all crew members are wearing USCG-approved Type I life jackets and non-essential crew are below decks. Deploy jack lines and harnesses if available. Check life-saving equipment, including batteries on handheld radios, for readiness. Here is the tide information.